Hello everyone here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a realistic water animation on your image like this. It's very easy and let's go. Let's create a new composition. Make it Full HD and duration 10 seconds. Go to File and import your image. Drag your image on timeline. Layer, New Solid, and I'll call it Water. Go to Effects and Presets and choose Fractal Noise. Go to Transform and close Uniform Scaling. Scale height, make it 10. Go to Evolution, Alt and click, write time times 2050. Okay, let's see how that works here. Now we have just subtle animation. Okay, now Layer, New Adjustment Layer. Go to Effects and Presets and choose Displacement Map. Now go to Displacement Map Layer and choose Water, also Effects and Masks. Now use for horizontal displacement and choose Luminance. Now go to Max Horizontal Displacement and make it 150. Also use for vertical displacement and choose Luminance. And Max Vertical Displacement, make it 0. Now go to Effects and Presets and write Motion Title. And drag it up. Go to Output Width, make it 150. Also output height, make it 150. Now close adjustment layer and put your mask on your image like this. Now open adjustment layer. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, Don't forget like, share, and subscribe. And goodbye.